another episode of Clement's Recipes. Today my mom and I will be making air-fried chicken and homemade macaroni and cheese.
For this recipe, you're going to need some chicken breast. I cut mine in half. Some parsley flakes, pepper, kosher salt, avocado oil. You're going to need thyme, rosemary, paprika. You can use original or smoked. I prefer the smoked for this recipe. Garlic powder, and some lemon pepper and oregano. Okay, I've already put all of my spices in here, and I used about a half a teaspoon to a teaspoon of almost everything here. I really kind of just did a dash of the flakes, of the parsley flakes, and a dash of rosemary. And if you don't like lemon pepper, you can take that out as well, and then just use the rest of it. Then we're going to put about 2 tablespoons of avocado oil and mix it up. And it does not have to be exact. It can be more or less. It really doesn't matter. Just making your paste. I'm going to go ahead and preheat your air fryer to 360 degrees. Mine's already there. And we're going to be cooking it for about 50 minutes.
So I'm just going to take my chicken breasts, plop them on here, and then I'm going to take my seasoning. I'm just going to put some on here. I'm going to do that for now. And I'm going to paste it and put it all over here. This is what it looks like prior to going in, and we have about 1 minute to wait.
Okay, so one ingredient that we left out was you'll need some kind of cooking spray, and I like to use the Pam olive oil just because it's a little healthier. So we're going to spray the inside of our pan. We're going to add our chicken in. Okay, we're just going to cook this for 50 minutes, and we're going to turn it about halfway through. We have 2 cups of dry elbow noodles. So it's going to be about 4 cups when it's cooked, and that's a lot.
We're going to beat 3 eggs.
Add a half cup of sour cream. That is the secret ingredient for this.
I'm just going to add 4 tablespoons of butter here. And then I'm going to mix it around and make it melt. So we cooked our noodles al dente, and now I'm just melting my butter.
And we're going to add 2 cups of cheese. And then we're going to stir that up until that cheese starts to melt. Just a little bit of salt, but not too much. And then we're going to add a cup of milk, our mixture from our sour cream and eggs. We're going to mix it all together till it's all stirred up.
Now I'm going to put my mac and cheese right in here. A little heavy, and I'm not very muscular. Alright, there we go. Take some of that weight off. Putting it in there. So now, got all this out, and I'm going to go ahead and put it in my oven at 350 degrees. I'm setting the timer for 15 minutes, 50. Got my claws on. You can add more cheese if you want, but we feel it's pretty cheesy. But ching!